and today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to make a shadow puppet theater. I remember when I was a child, I loved to play with cardboard boxes, especially the big ones. I remember cutting pieces of cardboard and make car for my little brother, airplanes, and just about anything that we can go into, especially forts. We love to make forts out of cardboard boxes. But what if you don't have big cardboard boxes at home? If you happen to only have small little cardboard boxes like this one, which we usually get from almost anything, from packages, maybe from your shoebox, or even cereal box, you can use it too. There will be just as much fun. So I happen to have this box in my house. It has an attached lid to it, but in terms of size, it's just about the size of a cereal box. So any box around this size will be great. So what we need next is some tracing paper, or you can use baking paper too. I have this baking paper for cooking, but today we're gonna use this as our screen for the shadow puppet theater. And then we're gonna need our popsicle sticks and our black origami paper, or just any kind of black paper. And then we have our glue to stick on the origami paper to the sticks. And then we have our usual utensils, which is scissors, penknife, and pen. And we also have some colorful markers to decorate our little theater. Last but not least, we don't want to scratch on the table, so we're gonna need a cutting mat or any kind of mat that you have in your house, so we won't scratch on the surface of the table. Alright, let's start. So the first thing we're gonna need is our cardboard box. I would want to just leave it as is. So when I open it up, I can have a space to put my little puppets. And I will want to put the screen right over there. So once I'm done playing, I can just close it up and bring it wherever I want to go. So the first thing we want to do is to cut out rectangle shapes here to make the opening for the screen. But you can make any shapes that you want. If you want to make a circle or just about any other shapes. I'm gonna open up my box. And then I'm going to mark how big I want my screen to be. Alright, so I'm happy with my opening. Now I'm going to get my cutting mat. I will place it underneath my cardboard. There you go. And I'm gonna get my penknife. Penknife are super sharp, so you would want to do it with an adult if you're a kid, and make sure they do it for you, okay? I'm gonna get my ruler so it will be neater. Get it out. Oh, there's a little spider. Okay. Bye bye, spider. And then we're gonna get our parchment paper, tracing paper, or in my case, I have the baking paper. I'm gonna lay it down and measure the whole size of the box. So not just the opening, but the whole size of the box. So next thing that we're gonna do is to glue it on. You can use all-purpose glue, school glue, or anything that you want. But for me, I like to use double-sided tape so it will look so much neater. Alright, so I have my double-sided tape here. I'm going to put away my baking paper, and I'm going to make a line right there. Get my scissors, cut it off, do it on the other side. Once I get my frame sides taped up, I'm gonna pull off the protective layer so I get to the sticky layer. Gonna get our baking paper and put it from one side. Very slowly press it along the frame sides, and then you will want to pull it nice and straight and slowly put it down. Press it over just like that, pressing all the sides to make sure it sticks really well. And there you have it, our screen for the shadow puppet. So now we're gonna put the box back as its original position. Close it at the sides. And then if it's keep like opening up, you can just put some glue on it and then glue them down. That's our screen for the shadow puppet. Can you see the shadow of my hands over there? Right, so later we're gonna put on our shadow puppets here. We're gonna turn it over and we're gonna make a shadow show. Alright, so now is the fun part, decorating the shadow theater. So let's close the box up. And you can make some decorations on the sides. You can do it with just colorful markers, or if you have strings or beads, you can just put them everywhere you like it. I'm very happy with my design, so it looks something like this. This is my mini theater. Now comes the very fun part, which is making the characters. You can make any characters from your favorite fairy tale book, or you can make your own. For me, I will make a forest setting with a castle, a princess in it, and a fire-breathing dragon. Alright, let's start with drawing it on our origami paper. I already have my characters and background cut out. I have my chubby fire-breathing dragon. I have my cute little princess and its knight in the shining armor with the sword. And then I also have a castle, and then a few trees for the forest and some bushes. And then now we would want to stick on our characters on the popsicle stick, and we're gonna paste on the rest right on the theater itself. Now, we want to test it with lights. I happen to have my phone here with me. If you have torchlight, that will be cool too. So, let's turn out the light. Ta-da! Can you see the shadow? Do you see how cool that is? And then we're gonna bring in our characters. Once upon a time, there was a very beautiful princess. He was being kept in a tower by a very scary witch. She cannot go out anywhere because she was being guarded by a fire-breathing dragon. Don't you dare to come near my princess, or I will burn you down. But one day, a very brave prince in a shining armor came and tried to save the princess. "Hey, you dragon, I'm not scared of you." And then came out the dragon. "Roar! Who are you there to come here and disturb my sleep?" "Ching, ching, 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 ching." "Wait a minute," said the fire-breathing dragon. "Do I smell peanuts?" Yeah, I happen to have some peanut candy in my pocket." "I will let the princess go if you give me that peanuts." "Alright then, chubby dragon, here you go." And off the chubby dragon go. "My prince, my princess, oh." And they lived happily ever after. We're done with our show for today. Let's keep it inside here and close up our box, and you can keep it in your bedroom or your playroom until you want to play with it again. I really hope you enjoy it. If you have a really cool story or setting that you can make on your shadow theater, Do record it or take a picture of it, upload it on Instagram, and tag me. I will put the link down below. I really would love to see your creation. I'm pretty sure you have really cool stories out there. Alright, until we meet again at the next arts and craft videos. Bye!